In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move logos on Squarespace. If you've ever wondered how to shift your site's logo from the left to the center, or simply explore different header looks, Squarespace makes this easy through its built-in header layouts. We'll walk through where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to help you choose the layout that best fits your design. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to edit. In the dashboard, select Edit Site in the upper right corner. This opens a larger live preview of your website. Once that preview loads, click Edit at the top left to enter the visual editor. Now move your cursor over the header area at the top of your site. You'll see an option appear to edit site header. Click that. With the header editor active, look toward the lower right area of the header preview for a button labeled Edit Design. Click it, and a panel or drop-down will appear with design controls for your header. In that panel, select Layout. You'll see a set of header layout options. Each layout controls the placement of your logo and navigation, and some make the logo sit on the left while others center it. Click through the layouts one by one to preview how your logo moves. You'll see changes update instantly in the preview, so you can compare and find the look you prefer without committing to anything until you're happy. As you test layouts, pay attention to how your navigation aligns next to or below the logo, since spacing can affect readability. If a centered logo feels cramped with a long menu, try a layout that keeps the logo on the left and the navigation on the right for balance. If you don't see the Edit Design button at first, make sure you're hovering directly over the header and that you've opened the header editor rather than a different section. A quick tip: this process only changes where your logo sits. It doesn't replace the logo image or alter its size. If you need to swap the logo file or adjust its scaling, those options live elsewhere in the header settings. Also, it's a good idea to glance at your mobile and tablet previews to confirm the layout still looks clean on smaller screens, since some layouts adapt differently by device. Once you've found the layout that puts your logo exactly where you want it, you're done. Your logo position is updated based on the layout you chose, and that's it.